no matter uvuga ngo we have goals, no matter what you're saying, no matter like ibyawe byose, there's a moment you like if you meet the right person for you, abayaje kuvuga ngo ufite ishuri, all that.
And once again, Girls Corner twahageze. Are you guys ready? Are they ready? So this is Lucille and ndi kumwe na Sandra wanje hano. Sandra ki?
Umushambakazi w'umunyarwandakazi.
Yeah, so it's really good to be back here nanone tugarukanye ibintu byinshi byiza cyane. And uyu munsi turi kumwe with someone twe tumaze iminsi tujya outside our country, but today twagarutse mu murwa wacu mu gihugu cyacu. You feel me?
Kigali yacu.
Yeah, reka tumuhereze the stage.
Well, it's Mucyo Elton.
Mucyo.
ALU.
ALU.
African Leadership University.
The Harvard of Africa. Yeah, okay.
Definitely.
Okay, so Elton. Who is Elton? Who is Mucyo?
Well, Mucyo is a simple guy.
Wambara Kobe.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of Kobe.
Oh, yeah. May his soul rest in peace. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a simple guy in Chichiro. Yeah, ndumva Mucyo Elton arungu.
Oh, okay.
So smooth.
Simple guy utuye Chichiro, oni Mucyo Elton. Okay.
So hadi tuye he. Tuye.
Yeah.
News. So Elton, so let's dive in when we do your months. So I'm going to ask you something. You're intelligent, right?
Well, I can't say. Kuva turi abana baratubwiraga nitwaje twiyemera, so.
That's good.
Wait, no, let's go.
I try.
Okay, so you're going to rate it, Natibas. Rate your intelligence from 1 to 10.
Well, I'd say probably a 9.
Or a 9.9?
You heard that?
So today we're going to talk about the way. It's a fact. It's not a debate though. Yeah, so intelligent people struggle with love. Is that true? Somehow?
Well,
so people say that. Oh, we don't know.
Yeah.
We don't know where to
We
stand.
have no idea.
We want
We've
enlightenment.
never been in love though. That's why you can let us know.
well,
Okay,
personally, I can't speak like for everybody else. But
Rico, there's what you know. You're a guy, you're a Rwandan, you're an African.
Intelligent.
You know what's going on outside. Nka Sandra ushobora kuba falling in love. Nka Sandra. Ariko zaba friends were watching those stories.
yeah.
Okay, let's follow them.
Highlights. Okay.
Yeah, well, coming to the point where intelligent people will
Yeah, it's like it gets hard for them to find the right partner, to fall in love.
Well, I can't say go intelligence but are falling in love.
Yeah.
But there's a thing I read that people with high IQ tend to have low EQ, emotional content, something like that. So, Ariko, personally, I don't think it's true.
You don't think it involves? It affects their relationship.
Why don't you think it's true?
Well, because to fall in love, I think, nago bisawa anything about intelligence or something. You know, it's a gut feeling.
Yes.
You see somebody.
Which is why, see, here's like maybe one fact.
Okay.
Abantu very intelligent. Changa say abantu when after let's say a high level of intelligence, whatever, intelligence. Yeah. So they tend to overthink. Thinking a lot about something. Niba kuvuga ngo I'm looking for a partner. Nkavuga agomba kuba my type is this kind.
Yeah, right.
I'm a Taurus. Maybe I'm compatible with this person. They tend to overthink stuff. Ugasanga niba huye n'umuntu kumva hari vibe ije ahita avuga ati ariko she's not my type. Ameze gutya na gutya. Those kind of things bigatuma bibagora.
Well, as a person,
as a person
no. Analyzing from the story, he just gave us like I don't think people with high IQ they fail to fall in love. That means he already said he had a high IQ, like 9.
Well, I know height.
That means if he's capable of falling in love with that high IQ, he can let people know that it's not true. Yeah. So you say you fell in love. You've never fallen in love.
Yes.
And you know it's possible with that high IQ.
Yes.
People, it's possible. They don't know.
Are you sure? Nukuri, they tend to overthink a lot. Ikindi, let's say when you're a professor, what is a PhD and everything, are very focused on his or her life.
Well, at some point I agree with you because
I'm also looking for enlightenment.
No. You even wonder what's the point falling in love because you analyze a lot of things.
I understand why you never. Yes.
All girls, I never speak out of experience. It's all just here. Never listen to her. So what I'm saying is, Kukoya, he said that it's possible to fall in love, and sometimes
when you're very intelligent
some people are so overthinkers.
Yes.
Yeah, like me, but not out of experience. So, so when you're an overthinker, it's hard. You also get a point and wonder why would you even fall in love in the first place? Because it's simply
would you fall in love?
You know.
Well,
do we need to fall in love?
Yeah, I think everybody deserves a chance to fall in love. But listen. Ariko, still, I don't agree. Intelligent people when they are less capable of falling in love.
No, it's not like they're less capable because we're all human beings. We have hearts, we have emotions. I think it gets hard for them to fall in love.
Yes, it takes time.
That's what
it's a process.
Researchers say. It's not something I invented, guys. It's a researcher.
It's a fun fact.
But listen, one thing I believe.
Yeah.
Forget about the intelligence. Forget about anything else.
Let's just meet normal people.
Okay.
I think everybody can fall in love. Depending if you meet the right person, right? So you might be an overthinker, like you say.
Yes.
But then you meet...
goal-oriented.
I know.
You know some girls who like, or I have to be concentrated, you know? That's
I understand. Ariko still, one thing I believe is like... one thing I believe is... Listen, one thing I believe is... Listen.
I saw that coming.
He's speaking from the heart, that's why.
One thing I know, no matter you have goals, no matter what you're saying, no matter like... ibyawe byose, there's a moment you like... If you meet the right person for you, abayaje, kuvuga ngo ufite ishuri, all that.
Okay, Sandra, wait patiently.
Hey, I said it, guys.
No, not out of experience. This is God's gonna say.
Okay, yes. The unsaid truth.
Dear Lord.
Yeah, so okay, no, let's say you find the person. With a 9.9.
No, but that was just... Listen,
no,
it's
okay,
wrong even to rate myself, Ariko. Well, I can't say I'm 9, but like...
But you are.
Well, not gonna need permission.
But it's fine.
I've not gone for an IQ test. Ariko, well...
I think you should.
I think I'm average.
You're fine. I mean, you're great.
Aw. That's a compliment.
Thank you very much.
I know, right? You're fine. You're great. Did you get that?
Oh my God,
Thank
guys.
Did the camera get that? Good. Yeah, so I was going to say, let's say Sandra is very intelligent. She finds the right person. Ugasanga kwa kundi nyine bavuga ngo mfite akazi mfite gukora iki ugasanga wa muntu amubulira time, you feel me? Kwa kundi nyine okay, you can be goal oriented, wa muntu akaza nyine aje pe ni umuntu wawe nyine azihangana no matter what, right? Ariko nyine ugasanga either ukora akazi cyane ntumuhe time, ugasanga nyine at most points umuntu nyine ari kwisanga, atari cared about something like that, that happens, right? That happens. Yeah. So that can cause a problem, which makes it harder for you to find love.
But like you said, that is not related to anything about intelligence. Ufita kazi nago bisaba.
No. Okay, yes, okay.
So when the vuga ti uri busy, then nago muha time umuntu wawe.
Yeah.
Ariko
kandi time bikenewe.
One thing I don't believe, intelligence and love, there's no way.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Nobody IQ and you're going to use it like a
No, don't say that.
So I'm safe, Anyways, yeah. So, I mean, I noticed some things about girls who are independent.
Yeah,
and
that's a point.
And then, guys who like, you want this girl, but she's independent. She's always like,
Wait, because she's independent, you can't get her?
No, because of the way you approach her. Remember?
Moves is our jam. Hashtag. No, but you know, aravuze ukuntu
Ukuntu.
Yeah, the way you approach her.
Yes.
Yeah, some guys think that dating a girl means you have to take care of her like 100%,
ijana kuri indi.
which is right to some girls, also wrong to some girls.
Yeah.
Yes. So I mean,
How?
I don't think how you
Okay,
want me to
how?
speak out of experience.
No, you know, talking girls corner, then
Girls
say
corner.
truth. #
So guys,
experiences.
what I'm saying is, if this girl wants you to like be together but not take care of her like, you know, financially and everything, yeah, you know, you can.
How can you know ko atabishaka?
That's what I'm coming to.
Amen.
You have to just you have to know the person you're going for.
Yeah.
What I'm doing.
Indeed.
You can just step
The
into
talking
something.
stage, getting to know each other.
Talking.
Oh yeah, you're psycho up twarayanze.
You don't go to girls school. Some people I'm not gonna mention.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. But yes, what I'm saying is this girl you wanna date her, but she's like fully independent. So you just have to know who to date and who to talk to and how do you approach this person. Niba approaches as a person showing off, like you have mullah and everything. Yeah, this chick.
Show off.
Yeah,
Really
this chick really doesn't need your mullah. You know you're losing her.
Yeah, that.
If you approach her like as a person, just a person who just wanna come into your life and have fun and chill.
The genuine one.
The genuine.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Wait, do you believe it's true? With some girls, you know, gonna go shako.
Well,
100%, you know, you care about them. Others,
Do
they
you?
want.
Do you
Yeah.
think?
Do you think
I
so?
read something about that. I go.
Wow, he
Listen.
even reads. It's like the 5th time he mentioned
Oh my
it.
No,
God,
listen, okay,
we are
okay.
now
It's
hot,
maybe
on
a
fire,
10. It's maybe a
burning.
10 out of 10. Let's
Listen, I could. There's a book I read, but I forgot. It's men feel like more, you know, accomplished if they're taking care of a girl.
Yeah.
You know?
That's when that feeling comes.
No, listen. Like every man would, they feel accomplished. They're taking care of the girl,
Yeah.
right?
They're shorty.
And yeah, it's not. I don't have any experience. I'm talking about
Okay.
bitewe n'ibintu nasomye.
Yeah.
So abakobwa are independent. Huh? They need ntabwo wamufata like ntabwo upfa kumuvogera.
Correct.
You know?
Definitely.
Nah.
But
I like the way you say it.
She,
you know,
Eyes
Yes.
half closed.
Yes, she likes that way.
no, Ariko still. Me, one thing I believe, if you want something and you really like, you feel like it's nicho chino chawe,
Yeah.
you get it. Ntabwo status. I don't think.
Kuba ari independent ntabwo byamataringa.
Independent or utter independent if you want them.
And if you want to
So
do
far,
it.
so far, as I've heard,
Yes.
with Elton, love wins. Whoever you are, whatever IQ, whatever independence, whatever, IQ wins. Right?
IQ? Not IQ.
No, brother, love wins. Sorry, love wins.
Yeah.
Love
When-
wins.
Wow.
At the end of the day, love wins. Yes. Yes.
This is what we need in girls' This is exactly what we needed. 'Cause I don't think here in girls' corner people believed in love.
Oh
Now
my
we-
God.
Yeah, the previous guest we heard was like, it's okay to cheat.
And he mentioned that.
You see, that person that doesn't like fully believe in love, you know. If the person says it's okay to cheat, that means, you know. So, but here, this is what we needed, girls. Seriously, I'm
We
talking.
needed some positivity, you feel me?
I feel you. Love, we still have fans. Love out there, I'm telling you.
Okay.
So, yeah. Still.
It's really good, actually. I love the vibe going on here. You know, there's this meme I read. Nanja, I kind of read, but memes.
You kind of.
I kind of read. Well, the world population is 7 billion. Even and 8 million something. Just in case someone's acting irreplaceable.
Okay.
That hit different.
Okay. What?
Hot.
What? Did you hear that?
Someone's acting
you?
irreplaceable.
Oh my God.
But at some point, I don't agree with that. Because there might be 7 billion, but who's that person? You know, do you have like, right?
Definitely, yeah,
Yeah.
but probably you don't need woman.
Oh my God, okay.
Oh, okay, no.
Wow.
That was harsh. That was harsh. That was harsh. But what I'm meaning here is maybe the person you're sticking with is not the right person.
Yeah.
Right? Yes. You have your right person in that 7 billion and you have to wait for the person.
You have to wait for the right person.
Be patient.
Yeah, for me,
Tu penses quoi?
I agree to disagree.
Okay.
What is that?
7.
Almost all. Yeah.
I believe like icyambere I'm supporting a love, right? So I think everybody has everyone for nyina umuntu afite soulmate we.
Yeah.
But
Hanze
also-
ahangaha to.
So I also nyine ibyo nibyo bituma disagreeing ariko still if somebody is not treating you right, if you're not, there's 7 billion people, so like,
Definitely.
only like 60%
You have all
are
the
women,
freedom
The freedom
to go out. To snap out of it.
Yeah.
Snap.
In the previous video, we said snap out of it.
No, ndabona ni snap out of
if
it.
it's not right for you, snap out of it.
Yeah, sometimes it hurts to hold on and letting go.
I know. Some people can hold on, you know, like Sandra here, she can hold on.
She's starting to reverse.
Girl can hold
Man, this was something good. I really like the vibe around here and the readings. Zakozwe ibitabo byubaka.
The IQs were.
Twese utazagaruka tuzi IQ zacu.
Yeah, definitely. That's IQ with me. I'm so ignorant to that level.
I don't even know.
So ignorant.
I think some lab somewhere. I don't know anything about that. But it was really good to have you here and we appreciate having smart
We
people.
do, yeah, we earn it.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome, most
Yeah.
welcome.
We believe
You're
be
welcome
back.
to come back any other time because, you know,
Definitely.
we click with your IQ, so you can always come back.
Enough about the IQ. We just click.
Okay, we just click.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you're
They
always
just
welcome
click.
here.
We just click, yes. So it was really good to have you here. And please, people, leave out a subscribe, a like, and a comment. Yeah, so we love you guys. Thank you very much.
Don't miss out on the next video. We love you, Joe.
Don't
Peace
dare
out.
miss. Stay safe.